In this culinary theater presentation, the ice cream station gets a facelift. To revamp a common ice cream station, let's take it a little step further. Let's do it with homemade ice cream and mix it right there in front of your guests. First thing we need is dry ice. You can get dry ice at the grocery store. It's about $5 a pound. You do not want to touch it. You will freeze your hands, so you have to wear these gloves. Next, marble is wonderful. This is a marble remnant from a marble distributor, I guess, if they make bathroom. And this is actually just a cutout for where the sink used to be. If you go to the shop there, they will give them to you for free. These are great. This was put into the freezer overnight and transported to the venue in a Cambro, and that's it, with dry ice with it. Okay, so we have our homemade ice cream here, and underneath, this is double panned, underneath we have a sheet of dry ice to keep it chilled. Today, we're going to give the ice cream station a little bit of a facelift. Be a lot of fun. We're going to use coconuts. The object here is all the coconuts are in this wood apparatus that we made. Andy made this actually. And what it is a piece of pine that's been painted and attached to the legs. So then the coconuts easily fit within this. And you could use this application for a lot of different things. So for today, I'm going to take this coconut, the guests will pick it up, and then they will put the different condiments that they want in there. So let's say they want some coconut and some kiwi, no mint, definitely some cookies, a little extra of that, almonds, nice, dried apricots, you can imagine it could be endless, and some chocolate chips. And then I'm going to give it to Andy, and he's going to make it with the homemade ice cream.
Thank you, Meryl.
This is a lot of fun for the guests because they get to watch it while it's being mixed. The server can talk to them, and there's a lot of interaction. The other people in line are then getting their condiments. The best thing I could suggest is to have your condiments on the other side of the table, further down. So by the time that they get here, so they could give it to the chef that is mixing the ice cream, and the line goes much, much faster. That's a hefty portion. Then you offer them sauces and they're on their way. It's a lot of fun. Also, you could use some bowls, martini glasses, just about anything if you don't want to go to the coconut route. Okay, folks, it's time to crack a coconut, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Here's the stem of the coconut. Turn it to the right. Take a standard screwdriver, and you want to slice it right into put it right into the middle. Take a hammer and start hammering away. Okay, that didn't work.
You're going to hurt yourself, Meryl. Start with, you don't want to do it in here because it's bouncing on the table. But I'm going to set it right on top of the leg, and maybe we can do it this way. And then you can use a chisel. I'm going to use an oyster knife. You had it pointed the wrong way. You had the stem the wrong way.
We'll show them how to do the stem. Oh, that's the stem.
Here's the stem, and here's the other end. You want to line up the blade of this so it's right across where you want to cut it, and then you want to hit it hard.
Oh.
All right, now it's going to split right in half. Should hit it one more time.
Oh, the juice.
Two beautiful cups. Great cut.
I want it. Okay, that is how you cut a coconut. I love it, and you saw how easy it was to do. And, oh, it really is good.
Not on your diet.
Oh, it's on my diet. Okay, thank you very much. Coconuts.